Hello everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to transfer contacts between iOS and Android devices using Wondershare TunesGo. The first step of course is to go ahead and launch Wondershare TunesGo. After that we'll start by connecting our iOS device, and once that's connected we'll go ahead and connect our Android device. And now we can take a look at the two different methods to transfer contacts, the first of which is using phone-to-phone transfer. So to do this we're going to be using this phone-to-phone transfer button. But first we should select our origin device, or the device we want to transfer contacts from. In this case my Android device is fine. So we'll get started by clicking on phone-to-phone transfer, and we'll select a target device, in this case my iOS device, and click on next. And now it's going to go ahead and load up all of the media on our device. And once all of those load, we can go ahead and deselect everything except for our contacts. And down here it tells us how many files we have selected and how much space those are going to take up, as well as how much space we have free on our target device. This is super useful for managing file sizes and making sure we don't transfer too much data and fill it up. There's also an option called delete contents on target device then transfer. If you select this, it will help you save some space if you're running low, but in my case I have plenty of space. So once we're happy and we have our contacts selected, we'll click on transfer. And now it's going to go through and transfer all of our contacts from one device to the next. And once it's complete, it will go ahead and tell us transfer complete. We can click on OK to close it, and now inside of our iOS device, we now have all of those contacts synced up with our device. The second method we can use is to transfer contacts selectively from one device to another. To do this, again, we'll select our starting device that we want to use the contacts from, but this time we'll go to the Information tab, where it will go ahead and load up all of our contacts. And we'll go ahead and select the specific contacts we want to transfer, and we'll click on Export, and we can go ahead and transfer these to a device, and in this case our iOS device. And when it's complete, it will say Export Successful. We can click on OK to close it, and now all of those contacts have been synced onto our other device. You can also right click on the contacts, Export to Device as well to access the export feature. But that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. That's how you transfer contacts between iOS and Android devices using Wondershare TunesGo.